Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install BankTree Personal Finance app in your device. BankTree Personal Finance app is a personal finance management software suite aimed at helping you track your income and expenses. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store, then search BankTree Personal Finance. There we can see BankTree Personal Finance by BankTree Software. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open BankTree Personal Finance app to track down your income and expenses. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.